whatever you studied in Forza class, object oriented programming topic compulsory. Okay. Without object-oriented programming topic, advanced Java you cannot understand. Object-oriented principles, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, class, object, variables, methods, constructors, blocks, static blocks, abstract classes, interfaces, whatever you studied. That knowledge is prerequisite. Okay. If you want to learn advanced Java, that knowledge is prerequisite. 1 minute. Online students, just might wait. Is my voice is not clear? Online students? Third. Online students, is my voice is clear now? Just respond. Okay. Okay. See. See, for learning advanced Java, core Java, object-oriented programming knowledge is mandatory. Without object-oriented principles, if you attend advanced Java class, you cannot understand. Okay, they compulsory. So whatever you studied in an object-oriented programming topic, like a classes, objects, variables, methods, constructors, blocks, static blocks, abstract classes, interfaces, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, overloading, overriding, upcasting, downcasting, these all whatever is studied, auto boxing, auto unboxing, these all features compulsory required, because up to exception handling knowledge required, at least object oriented programming topic is there. If it is completed, you can understand. Okay. See, online students, if any doubts are there, just write it in your notebook. End of the session, I'll give it time for doubts. At the time you can ask. Okay. After completion of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. If any doubt, I'll explain. Okay. I'll clarify end of the session. If any doubts are there, just write it in your notebook. Even online students, offline students. If any doubts are there, write it in your notebook, end of the page, last page. And if any doubts are there, after class, you can ask. I'll give time for doubts. Okay. Online students also, first listen the class. Listening is most important. First listen the class. End of the session, I'll give time for doubts. At the time, you can ask any doubt. Okay. Say, object-oriented programming knowledge is mandatory. It is prerequisite to learn advanced Java. First of all, what is advanced Java? What is core Java? These words I'll explain. See, according to Sun Micro system, there is only Java. There is no core Java. There is no advanced Java. Online students, if any doubts are there, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Just write it in your notebook. End of the session, I'll give it time for doubts. At the time, you can ask any question. I'll clarify. Okay. Because it is not one-to-one session. Not one-to-one session. One faculty, one student is there. Immediately I'll respond. But here online, offline, at a time going on. Okay. If any doubts are there, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Every day, I'll give a time for doubts. Listen the class. Listen the class. Okay. See. According to Sun Micro system, there is no core Java. There is no advanced Java. There is only Java. There is only Java. But why these words? I'll explain. See, 1995, Java came and exists in the market. 1995. Okay. 1995, Java came and exists in the market for developing internet applications. So 1995, Java came and exists in the market to develop internet applications. Internet came and exists in the market 1990 only. 1990 only, internet came and exists in the market. Now just listen. No need to write any notes. I'll give notes also, everything. Just listen the class today. Just listen. Okay. Don't worry about notes. Don't worry about subject. Everything I'll take care. Don't worry about subject. Don't worry about subject. Don't worry about duration. Don't worry about notes. Everything I'll give. Just today class, just listen. Okay. Just listen. Say in 1995, Java came and exists in the market. 1995, Java came and exists in the market for developing internet applications. Java is a first programming language to develop internet applications. But internet came and exists in the market in 1990 only. 1990 only, internet came. But Java came and exists in the market after 5 years. After 5 years, Java came. 1995, Java came. Say, 1990, internet came and exists in the market. 1995, Java came and exists in the market after 5 years. But I am saying Java is a first programming language to develop internet applications. So Java only first programming language to develop internet applications. But before 1995 only, internet was there. But 1990 to 95, how they developed internet applications? 1990 to 95. So 5 years, they developed internet applications with C language, C++ language, Smalltalk, Ada, Simula. What are the languages already is there? So before Java, what are the languages already exist? With those languages, they developed internet applications. But when Java came and exists in the market, those all, they stopped. Java became as popular. It was boomed in the industry. Now also 2022 also booming in the market. Okay. Say 1995 Java came, but before Java only internet was there. So 5 years they developed internet applications with C, C++, Smalltalk, Ada, Simula. What are the languages already exist? With those languages, they developed internet applications. By using C language also, developing internet application possible. Whatever you studied in C language, in academics or in Amirpet, whatever you studied, that is just 5% C. Okay? Whatever you studied, operators, control structures, arrays, strings, pointers, structures, unions, files, you studied. That C language, just 5% of C. Okay? Whatever you studied, that is 5% only. Once if you join in a company as a C programmer, C appears like a C. That much subject is there. Okay? C appears like a C. So C language as a C programmer, if you want to join in a company, that C language not enough. That C language only to improve logical skills you learn. Okay? As a C developer, you cannot join in a company with this knowledge. C language means data structures in C, keyboard interrupts in C, mouse programming in C, graphics in C, and embedded C, mouse programming, multi-threading in C, socket programming in C. Like this, so many modules are there. You studied just one module. That is basics of C. That is just 5% only. So whatever you learn, for getting logical skills, you learn. But as a C developer, as a C programmer, you cannot join in that company, in a software company with this knowledge. This is the knowledge only to improve your logical skills you learn. That's it. If the company requires a C programmer, they'll recruit IIT students. They won't recruit BTech students, MCA students, MTech students as a C programmer. If they as a Java programmer means they'll recruit Java. Whatever required in a software company, that Java you are learning in Amirpet. But whatever required C in a C program software company, that C you are not learning here. That C only to improve logical skills. That's it. Okay. So Java language, whatever they required in a software company, that is you are learning in a class. In Amirpet class, you are learning. So with this knowledge, you can join as a Java programmer. But as a C programmer, you cannot join with that C language knowledge. That C language, not enough. As a C programmer, if you want to join. Okay. See, C internet application also developing possible with C language. Developing internet application also possible. Up to 1995, they used C language also. So 1990 internet came. 1995 Java came. But before Java, how they developed internet applications? By using C language. Say, C language came and exists in the market in 1972. 1972 C language came. 1972 C language came. See, 1972 C language came. 1990 internet came. 1995 Java came. When C language was introduced in the market, at the time there was no internet. At the time there was no internet. 1972. 1972 C language came and exists in the market, but at the time there was no internet. That means C language not made for internet, because at the time internet was not there when C came. 1990 internet came. Then they applied C programming for internet application also. After 5 years only Java came. When Java came, C language they stopped. They stopped to develop internet applications. But C language not outdated. C language, it is an evergreen subject. 1972 language till is there in the market. You observe how many years? 50 years. 50 years over, still C is there in the market. Okay. So C language, they stopped to develop internet applications. But C language not outdated. C language made for system software. System software purpose till in the industry, number one programming language, C only. For developing internet applications, number one programming language, Java. So Java especially made for internet applications. Java, it is popular for developing internet applications. But C language popular for system software. For example, operating system. Operating system developed with C language. Database management system developed with C language. Compiler developed with C language. Interpreter developed with C language. Browsers developed with C language. Servers developed with C language. See, Java compiler. Java compiler also developed with C language. And even latest version C compiler developed with C language only. So C compiler also made with C. Starting version C language developed with assembly language. Latest version C compiler developed with C only. So C compiler also developed with C language. That much popular C language for developing system software. So till in the industry, developing system software, number one programming language, C language. For developing internet applications, number one programming language, Java. Okay. But when Java came, then C language stopped to develop internet applications. Why? What is the problem with C language? See, if we develop any internet application with C language, security issues comes. That's what they stopped. And if we develop internet application with Java, it is more secure. That's what Java become as popular. It was booming in the industry. Now also booming in the industry. Now, how Java is secure? Why C is not secure, not safe? Why C is not safe? How Java is safe for developing internet application? You know very well, in C language, most important topic, pointers. Most important topic, pointers only, no? That pointers are there in Java? No. Why they removed? Security purpose only. So C language supports pointers. C language pointers concept removed by Java developers. But actually, Java derived from C and C++ languages only. From C language, syntax derived. From C++, OOPS derived. With that, Java came and exists in the market. So Java derived from C and C++ languages. C language syntax derived from C++ OOPS derived. With that, Java came and exists in the market. But while deriving, pointers concept removed. See, most important topic in C language, pointers. Most difficult topic, pointers. Heart of C language, pointers. That heart is removed by Java developers. Okay, the main topic only removed because Java made for internet applications. If pointers are there, security issues comes. See, you take any application in internet, if the data is confidential, that application, if you want to, that data, if you want to see, you must enter a username, password, or security code, or PIN number, or mobile PIN number, MPIN, like that different terminology you are calling. It lasts all our passwords only. Now, if the data is confidential in internet application, that application data, if you want to see, you must enter with your username, password. Then only you can see the data. Say, example, Gmail box. If you want to open, you must enter username, password. Facebook, you must enter username, password. Internet banking, you must enter username, password. Mobile banking, you must enter mobile PIN. If you want to use ATM center, PIN number. Everywhere, password, PIN number, security code, MPIN, like that we are going to use. If Java supports pointers, security issues comes. Because with the pointer, password, address we can find out. Through address, password also we can find out. That type of problems comes. That is the reason only Java developers removed pointers in Java. Okay. With the pointers, there are so many advantages, but one biggest disadvantage is security issues comes. That is the reason only Java developers removed pointers. That's what Java popular for internet application, secure. But even this much security, if they provide also, people are hacking sites not still. So even Java secure we are calling, with Java applications also people are hacking sites. If Java supports pointers, no, all people becomes hackers only. If Java supports pointers. So that type of problems comes. That is the reason only pointers are removed. Even this much security, if they provide also, people are hacking sites. If pointer concept is there in Java, all people become hackers only. Everyone will become hacker only. That is the problem. That is the reason only Java developers removed pointers. Without pointers, Java is secure. Java is more secure as compared to other languages. That's what Java booming in the market. That is one reason. One more reason, platform independent. You know very well, you studied in core Java class. Okay. So Java is secure. Java is a platform independent. Without modifying single character, Java program you can run on any platform. Without modifying single character. If you write a Java program once, that program you can run anywhere without modifying single character. That's what Java caption. Write once, run anywhere. Java slogan. They given in 1995. Still latest version also they are maintaining that slogan. Once if you write a Java program, you can run anywhere without modifying single character. So operating system independent, hardware independent, architecture independent, protocol independent, browser independent, server independent, database independent, everything independent. That is the power of Java programming language. Okay. So with two reasons, Java booming in the market. One is security, one more platform independent. With these two reasons only, Java position #1 in the world for developing internet applications. So C also #1 for developing system software. Java #1 developing internet applications, like that. But C language #1 to develop system software. Java language #1 to develop internet applications. Okay. See, in 1995, Java came. for developing internet applications. When Java came, they stopped other language. They used only Java 95 onwards. Later, some other technologies also introduced, like a C#, .NET, Python, some other languages also came. But still, internet application purpose, number one programming language, Java. Okay. Even other languages came. C# also came. Python also came. You observe. Those also booming. But internet purpose, number one programming language, Java only. Artificial intelligence application purpose, Python number one. But internet application, Java only number one till in the market. Java made for internet, popular for internet. C made for system software, popular for system software. Python made for artificial intelligence, it is popular for artificial intelligence. Like that. So C also top 5 programming language. C, C++, Java, Python, C#. 5 programming languages are booming. But internet applications purpose, number one is Java. It is evergreen subject for developing internet application. How long internet will be there? Up to that Java will be there. Internet usage, will it increase or decrease? Day by day increasing. Everyone is using internet. At least they are using in a mobile, even if not in computer also. But internet application they are using in mobile also. No? In a family, 5 members means 5 mobiles will be there. Okay, more than 5 also will be there. But everyone is using internet. So that much usage internet. In future also, internet usage never decrease. Never decrease. It will increase. How long internet will be there in the market? Up to that Java will be there. That much popular Java for developing internet application. Say 95 released, 95 only number one in the industry. Like that, very few products will be there in the market. Released year only number one. Say, for example, so many mobiles are there. If any one mobile company, one ABC company, if they introduce XYZ mobile, will it become popular immediately? So much competition is there. So many companies are there. So many models are there. See how much confusion is there for selecting mobile, right mobile? Very difficult, no? So even if you decide one particular company also, in that particular company also, many models will be there. Like that. So many companies are there. So many models are there in each company. But if any new mobile from ABC company, from XYZ model, if it is comes, will it become popular immediately? No. It takes more time. Like that, even there are already many languages are there, but Java released year only number one for internet application purpose. Like that, very few products will be there in the market. Say 1995 only, some academics, some universities, they introduced Java course in academics 1995 only. Then this total Java, it is not possible to finish in one semester. Our education system is semester system, no? That is the reason what they did. This Java, they divided like 2 parts. One is core Java, one is advanced Java. So core Java, advanced Java, like this they divided. See, according to Sun Microsystem, there is only Java. Even Sun Microsystem purchased by Oracle Corporation. Even those people also given Java only. There is no core Java, there is no advanced Java according to Sun Microsystem, according to Oracle Corporation. There is only Java. But universities, they started Java course in 1995 only. Then our educational system is semester system. Total Java course, it is not possible to finish in a one semester. But your doubt is semester 6 months will be there. Why it is not possible to finish? Your doubt. You know very well, 1 month exams will be there almost. Okay. And before exams 1 month, after exams 1 month, students will not come to college also. It's happening. And there are so many holidays, so many festival holidays, some second Saturdays, Sundays, these all. Class time also 50 minutes will be there. In that 50 minutes, 10 and 10 minutes attendance only. then how it is possible? 40 minutes class will be there. Okay. That's what universities, colleges, institutes, this Java course, they divided like a two parts. One is core Java, one is advanced Java. So these words are unofficial words. According to Sun Microsystem, according to Oracle Corporation, there is no core Java, there is no advanced Java. There is only Java. Okay. This Java, after 5 years, they extended J2EE, J2ME. Two more editions of Java came. Online students, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Listen the class. See, two more editions of Java came. Then Java renamed as J2SE. So 1995 Java came and exists in the market. That Java renamed as J2SE in 2000 after 5 years. After 5 years, it is renamed. Okay, just close the door. Say 1990 renamed after 5 years. Java renamed as J2SE in 2000 after 5 years. Java 2 platform standard edition, Java 2 platform enterprise edition, Java 2 platform micro edition. 3 editions of Java. Okay. In 2000, all versions are 2.2.2. Versions are 2 only, but versions are updated. Now present standard edition version 19 version going on. Okay. Enterprise edition version 8 edition going on. Micro edition version is removed. So initially starting Java made for internet only, but later Java enterprise application purpose also introduced. This is J2EE. Micro edition nothing but micro device applications. That purpose also Java came. So Java not only for computers, we can apply for enterprise application also, micro device also. Say mobiles, pagers, communicators, palm tops, PDS, barcode machines, sensors, so many electronic gadgets are there. Those devices also supporting Java. So Java not only for computers, Java is everywhere. There are so many electronic gadgets are there in the market. Those devices also supporting Java. That purpose ME. So J2ME. But in 2000, all versions are 2.2.2. These versions are updated. New versions introduced. Then instead of calling J2SE, we have to call it as J19SE. That's what these people, again, they changed names. This J2SE renamed like a Java SE. Java J2EE renamed like a Java EE. J2ME renamed like a Java ME. So J2EE renamed as Java EE. J2ME renamed as Java ME. So version can be anything. Names are fixed. These names are given in 2005. After 5 years again. So J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Renamed as Java SE, Java EE, Java ME. Okay. Java Platform Standard Edition, Java Platform Enterprise Edition, Java Platform Micro Edition. After 3 years, 2008, one more edition came. Java FX. Java FX. See, at present, 4 editions of Java is there. Java SE, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. 4 editions of Java is there. So these versions, these are nothing but Java SE, Java Platform Standard Edition. Java EE, nothing but Java Platform Enterprise Edition. Java ME, nothing but Java Platform Micro Edition. Java FX, nothing but Java Platform FX. Like this, 4 editions of Java is there. Okay, 4 editions of Java is there. Java SE, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. Now, here 4 editions of Java. Here, core Java, advanced Java. According to Sun Microsystem, core Java, advanced Java words are not there. Core Java comes under SE, advanced Java comes under SC and EE. In 2 editions it comes. Now some topics are shifted to EE also. So core Java is a part of Java SE. Complete core Java is a part of Java SE. Core Java is a part of Java SE. Advanced Java is a part of Java SE and Java EE. So some topics comes under SE, some topics comes under EE. Which are the topics comes under SE? Which are the topics comes under EE? I'll explain. Okay. Complete core Java comes under SE, Java Platform Standard Edition. And advanced Java, some topics comes under SE, some topics comes under EE. Okay. Which are the topics comes under SE? Which are the topics comes under EE? I'll explain. See, 4 editions of Java is there. 4 editions of Java. Now, present, you are learning only 2 editions in Ameriped. Java SE, Java EE. No one is learning ME. No one is learning FX. No one is learning, no one is teaching. Okay. If you teach also, no one will join in a class. That is happening. Why? I'll explain. But it is not outdated. Java, ME, Java, FX, latest versions only, latest concepts only. But no one is learning, no one is teaching. Okay. Standard edition, just open the door. Java SC, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. Now, 4 editions of Java. You are learning only 2 editions in Ameriped. These 2 editions, no one is learning, no one is teaching. Reason, I'll explain. In a real time, standard edition programmers requirement and EE edition programmers requirement is more. This ME programmer requirement, FX programmer requirement is very less. Very less number of opportunities will be there for ME programmers, FX programmers. Okay. These 2 editions programmers requirement is very less. That's what no one is learning. But if the company requires ME programmer, FX programmer, how they'll recruit? No one is learning how they'll recruit. If the company requirement is ME, FX, they'll recruit Java programmer with core Java knowledge only. With only core Java knowledge, they'll recruit. After joining in the company, they'll get training. So at that time, you are going to learn. If the company requirement is on FX, what they'll do with core Java knowledge only, they'll recruit. With core Java only, they'll conduct interview. With core Java knowledge, you'll join. After joining FX, you are going to learn. If the company requires, learn. Otherwise, no need to learn. So that's what. Learning is not going to end in Ameriped. After getting a job also, you have to learn in software industry. That is remember. Okay. So don't think learning is going to complete after getting a job. Lifelong, you are student only in software industry. Everyone. Okay. So suppose example, present latest version, 19 version. Up to 19, I'll teach. You'll join any software company. Java 20 comes. Will you come to Ameriped again? Yourself, you have to learn. No? Up to 19, you learn. With that knowledge, 20 you can update. Self-learning skills also required. It is compulsory. Learning is not going to end in Ameriped. After getting a job also, you have to improve your skills. Then only you will get a good designation. Okay. Then only you'll get a good designation, good salary, good package, everything comes. Okay. Every day you have to update. Software industry like that only. See, after getting 10, 20 years also, are they learning or not? You observe. After getting 10, 20 years experience also, people are learning subject. You observe. Evening 7:30 batch or morning 7 o'clock batch, people are attending. Working people also attending. Compulsory. Learning is compulsory. It is not going to end. Either with tutor or without tutor or self-learning. At least compulsory required. So for learning purpose, more patience required. If you don't have a patience, you are not suitable for software industry. That is also remember. If you don't have a patience to learn subject, better to go for now itself other fields. If you have a patience, be in software industry. If you don't have a patience, you are not suitable for software jobs. Okay. It is knowledge based job. It is knowledge based job. Knowledge is mandatory. Okay. Even if you join in a company without knowledge also, you cannot enjoy, you cannot survive. It will be happen. But how it is possible to enter into a company without knowledge? There are so many routes. You know very well. Okay. For getting job, either reference required or backdoor required or knowledge required. See, few people will join in a company with knowledge. Few people will join in a company with reference. Few people will join in a company with backdoor. But who will enjoy software job? Knowledge people only will enjoy. Remaining people, they will struggle. That's it. Okay. Every day you will struggle while writing program. So what will happen? Every day while writing program, you'll struggle. One day you'll get irritation. You will resign the software job. That's it. Or whenever resignation period comes, company will remove. That will be happen if you don't have a skills. That's what knowledge is most important in software job. Knowledge is mandatory. Okay. So put efforts, work hard to improve skills, logical skills, that too, not theoretical. Theoretically, everyone is perfect. Every BTech student is perfect. Okay. If I ask one line notes, if I ask to write that notes, one page also they'll write. Okay. Every BTech student is perfect to make paragraphs pages. Okay. One line notes, if I give that line, they'll make it one page. So every BTech student is perfect. That is nothing. Logical skills required. Okay. So here you are going to learn in Amirpet Java AC, Java W only. These two, after getting a job, you are going to learn. Now, core Java is a part of Java AC. Advanced Java is a part of Java AC and Java W. Which are the topics comes under AC? Which are the topics comes under W? Now I'll give content. Now this one you can write. So this one you can write. Advanced Java. What are the topics I'm going to cover? First course content I'll give. What are the topics I'm going to cover in this course? I'll give. First one, JDBC. Java Database Connectivity. I'll give the course content. What are the topics I'm going to cover? Those all I'll give. First one, JDBC. Advanced Java. First one, JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. This is the first topic. Second topic, Solets. Say, first topic, JDBC. Second topic, Solets. Third topic, Solet listeners. It also comes under Solets only, but I given separate. Solet listeners. Fourth one, filters. Fourth one, filters. Fifth one, JSP. Java Server Pages. Java Server Pages. Sixth one, JSP using Java Beans. JSP using Java Beans. Seventh one, JSP EL. JSP Expression Language. Eighth one, JSTL. JSP Standard Tag Library. Ninth one, MVC, Model View Controller, by using Java Bean, JSP, and Solid. 10th one, Reflection API, Application Programming Interface. GDBC, Solid listeners, filters, JSP using Java Beans, JSP expression language, JSP standard tag library, MVC reflection API. These are the topics you are going to learn in this course. Advanced Java. So according to Sun Microsystem, there is no core Java, there is no advanced Java. Universities, colleges, institutes, these people divided like a two parts. That is core Java, advanced Java. JDBC, Solid listeners, filters, JSP using Java Beans, JSP expression language, JSTL, MVC reflection API. These all you are going to learn. See, these 10 topics you are going to learn in advanced Java. So actually, your major topics, JDBC, Solid listener, filters, nothing but solids only. This JSP, you know, these are nothing but JSP only. And here, this is required to learn frameworks. For learning frameworks, MVC frameworks purpose, this is one program I'll explain, MVC program also. After that, reflection API. In the entire Java, this entire advanced Java, JDBC and reflection API. These two topics only comes under Java SE. That point also note down. JDBC and reflection API. JDBC and reflection API are the part of Java SE. JDBC and reflection API are the part of Java SE. And remaining all topics are the part of Java EE. JDBC and reflection API are the part of Java SE, and remaining all topics are the part of Java EE. JDBC and reflection API are the part of Java SE, and remaining all the topics are the part of Java EE. Say, in advanced Java, first topic, last topic comes under SE, Java SE. Remaining all topics comes under Java EE. Okay. This is advanced Java content. These are the topics I'm going to teach. These are the topics I'm going to teach in advanced Java class. So it is JDBC. It is one topic. Solid listeners, filters, nothing but solids only. JSP using Java Bean, JSPL, JSTL, nothing but JSP only. All I'm going to combine here. That is an MVC framework style I'll teach. With that, frameworks becomes easy. This is a reflection API to analyze the Java library purpose. Like here, two topics. First topic, last topic comes under Java SE. Remaining all topics are the part of Java EE. Okay. Now, here, class timing. Class timing is 7:30 to 9. 7:30 to 9. Okay, class timing 7:30 to 9, Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. Okay. So class timing, this is course duration. Course duration, it will take 65 to 75 days. 65 to 70 days. Okay. Within a 75 days, it will be completed. So it is minimum, it is maximum. It is possible. You can learn 65 to 75 days. Okay. Course duration, class timings. Now, it is possible to finish. You can learn 65 to 75 days. Okay. So class timing 7:30 to 9, Monday to Saturday. Course duration 65 to 70 days. 75 days maximum. Minimum 65, maximum 75. It will finish. Here, for practicing, here, so many softwares required. See, in core Java, what you studied? You studied only Java development kit. That's it. With only JDK, you learn. Okay. But here, JDK required, one browser required, one server required, one database required, Eclipse required, like that, many softwares required. Here, lots of practice required. If you don't practice, same whatever I'm teaching, that program also, if you try to run, it may not work. Same programs also. Because after compilation, after execution, you'll get an error. That error, problem with your coding, or a problem with Eclipse, or a problem with server, or a problem with browser, or a problem with database, you cannot understand. That will be happen. So lots of practice required. You need to spend more time on system. Here logical part is less, library part is more. Core Java, more logics will be there. But advanced Java, maximum library we use. Real-time parts, real-time starts from solids. Like this. JDBC also real-time only. While teaching solids, I'll combine both solids and JDBC. Like that. Real-time. Advanced Java, very interesting. Very interesting. After completion of course, you can develop your own website also. It is possible. Dynamic website also you can develop your own. But core Java only most important. That is remember. Okay. For getting job, core Java only most important. Because if you attend interviews, first they'll ask questions from core Java. If you give answers, they'll continue advanced Java question. But if you don't give answer with core Java questions only, they'll stop. Okay, interview they'll stop there only. That will be happen. Core Java only most important for getting jobs. With core Java knowledge, advanced Java is nothing. Very simple. Okay. Advanced Java, very easy. If you are perfect in core Java object-oriented programming. Okay. See, once if you know how to use Java library, with that knowledge, advanced is nothing. Suppose, for example, some questions say, observe. I'll open how to see the profile at the command prompt in Java. Do you know which command we use? Java P. Java P. Okay, Java P. Java P, java.lang.string. Then string class profile comes. Okay. Java P, java.lang.integer. Integer class profile comes. Now, here library. You observe. Here, this method, suppose I'll ask some questions. Those who know, give me answer. Basic questions only. Basic, very basic. Suppose here, what is the method name? What is the method name? Sum. Is this method is accessible? Is this method is accessible? How do you know that is accessible? Public keyword. Seeing that public, you are giving answer, this method is accessible. Okay. Seeing that method, you are giving answer, it is accessible. See methods. Suppose this method, see, observe. This method I asked. Now, what is the method name? Sum. Is this method is accessible? How do you know? Public. Is it instance method or class method? How do you know? Static. Static method. Static method is called class method. Non-static is called instance method. This method, if you want to access, how many ways are there? 4 ways. What are those? Directly you can access. By using class name, you can access. By using object, you can access. By using object reference, you can access. 4 different ways possible. How many ways not recommended to use? 2 ways. What are those? Object reference you should not use. That is not recommended. Because static purpose is that one. Without object only possible. Again, if you create object, if you call the method, memory wasted. Object reference also wasted. So, class method. The method in which class? Integer class. Now, can we access directly in demo class? Can we access? No. Then how to access? By using class name. What is the return type of that method? Int. How many parameters are there? 2 parameter. That's it. That line, if you are able to write, means you can write learn advanced Java. Nothing. See, for example, this method I want to call. Suppose, for example, present, I'll open edit plus. I'll teach with Eclipse also. See, suppose here one program. You observe here that method I want to call. See, what is the return type of that method is integer. So int x, class name integer dot sum. 2 numbers I'm passing. Then system dot out dot println x over. So this method, library method, I called here. But I'm not writing any logic. Addition of 2 numbers also library is there. You observe. That is 23 plus 49 added, that is stored in X. See, file, save. You can compile Java C demo.java. Java demo. 72. See, finding maximum of 2 numbers also you have a library. Everything available. See. See. Finding maximum of 2 numbers also library. Finding minimum of 2 numbers also library. No need to write logic. A plus B also no need to write. You observe some method that purpose only, no. If A greater than B, A is a bigger, else B is a bigger. That logic also no need to write. That logic also no need to write. Okay. See here, if you want to write finding maximum of 2 numbers, finding maximum of 2 numbers if you want to write. See, return type int, method name max. It is static. You have to call with class name. See, int x equal to integer dot max. 2 numbers you can pass. Then system dot out dot println x over. See, file, save. Finding maximum of 2 numbers. That's it. So, in doubt, by using so many logics are there, so many libraries are there. We have, like a collections framework is there, no? Whatever you want is possible. Now, here you observe, once if you know how to use Java library, that knowledge is there, any Java program you can write. That practice most important. See, if you know the method how to call, if you know the method, any method, you should be able to call. Say java.lang.string. Suppose string class. Now in string class, for example, this method I want to call. You observe. What is the method name? Compare to. Is this method is accessible? Yes. How do you know? Public. Is it instance method or class method? Instance method. How many ways to access? 2 ways. What are those? Object reference. This is method of string class. String class object or string class reference required. With string class method, string class reference you can call. But parameter which type? Object type. Object type. Object class type you have to pass. But object class is super class. String is subclass. You can pass. That concept is called upcasting. Like that. These all, if you know, Advanced Java, nothing. Like once if you know how to use Java library, with that knowledge, advanced Java, nothing. Very simple. So that's what core Java most important. Object-oriented programming knowledge is mandatory. See, still you are learning object-oriented programming means better to wait for next advanced Java batch. And already object-oriented programming topic completed means you continue. Okay. Otherwise, you may not understand. That will be happen. It is prerequisite. So suppose exception handling topic not completed. Okay, you can continue. You can understand. But if this topic is not completed, object-oriented programming, if it is not completed, then you better to wait for next advanced Java batch. If this topic is completed, then you can understand. If this topic is still running, at least 4 or 5 days it is going to complete this topic means you can continue. Because here all different batches students will be there. Advanced Java means. Because different core Java batches students will be there here in advanced Java class. Okay, that's what I'm saying. In your batch, object-oriented programming topic, if it is completed, continue. In next week, it is going to complete also, continue. But still, if it is in the middle also, you better to wait for next batch. Okay, it is prerequisite. It is prerequisite. Without this topic, you cannot understand advanced Java. And encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, abstract class, interface, these all. While teaching core Java, they asked many doubts. Where we use abstract class, where we use interface, where we use inner classes, these all. Those all you will understand in advanced Java class. Okay. But you are learning core Java, some are difficult to understand, some concepts. But here you can understand. What is the use of abstract class? What is the use of upcasting? What is the use of downcasting? What is the use of auto boxing? What is the use of auto unboxing? These all you will understand in advanced Java class. You will understand. But the syntax, that knowledge mandatory. Okay. Those who completed object-oriented programming, those people only continue. And at least next week it is going to complete means you can continue. Just only 1 week if it is going to complete also continue. But still it is encapsulation going on, polymorphism going on, and variables going on, method going on. If you attend, you cannot understand. Okay, it is compulsory. This topic is prerequisite to learn advanced Java. Okay. Tomorrow I'll start subject. Today just I given content what is advanced Java I explained. Tomorrow I'll start. Be regular. Every class is important only. Okay, be regular. Tomorrow 7:30 we'll see continuation. Online student, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. Online student, just wait 2 minutes.